How to convert Abaqus ODB files to VTK format. First, visit the YJExchanger CAE file converter website. Second, simply drag and drop your ODB file into the designated area and wait a few seconds for processing. Third, download your successfully converted VTK file. Now you can use the VTK files for your post-processing and visualization needs. The process requires no programming and no understanding of the ODB file structure. With just 3 steps and a few seconds, your file is converted. Beyond ODB format, YJExchanger supports conversion for over 10 CAE data formats, including Ansys, Fluent, Abaqus, Nastran, and Ensight. Experience versatile file conversion at YJExchanger CAE File Converter. We look forward to your feedback.